Open your door. The door is locked.
I don't understand.
Open for me. Let me join you.
I don't understand you. Join me to where?
So I want to join you. Let me go and show you the other land.
I thought you had a car. I thought you had a car over there.
God have mercy.
That's not my car, sir.
You don't have a car. You want to sell me a land for 850 million?
Hey!
Sir. How can one make money quickly in Lagos?
First of all, why are you asking? Because I've always known you to be Mr. Legal things. You always stand for.
Shall we?
Yes. What do you mean? Let's go. I have places to go to. I have things to do. We can go look at the property now.
You want to join me?
What do you mean? What are you insinuating? We don't put this number. Let's go to where we're going.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Hi. How's it going?
Hope it was stress-free. No traffic.
No.
Okay, welcome. Okay. So this is the place I was telling you about.
Yeah?
It's a very nice place. I like it. It's for multi-purpose. You know, you can use it for whatever you want to use it for your hotel, residential.
Really?
Yes.
So you think everything is perfectly
No,
done?
it has the right title. This governor, it has a governor concept. So, and this 650 square meter. Yes. This Ivory area, so it's free from every form of encumbrance.
Okay.
So yes.
And you said 650 square meters.
Yes, 680 square meters.
680 square meters.
Yes, no issues at all. So it's a dry land. You like it, yeah.
Not gonna have any problem at all.
No problem at all. It's good for
No
investment.
problem.
No problems. Trust me now.
All documents are complete intact.
Yes, all intact. Yes.
Okay.
Once you are ready, I will send you the document for search.
That's
680 square meters. It's a very vital land.
okay. So what's the next property we're seeing?
Okay, the other one, the 850 million.
Yes.
I'll go and show you now. Let me go and show you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's go. Quickly. We have to.
Okay. Thank you. No problem, sir.
Okay.
I'm always ready, sir.
What's the problem?
Sir, open your door. The door is locked.
I don't understand.
Open for me. Let me join you.
I don't understand you. Join me to where?
So I want to join you. Let me go and show you the other land.
I thought you had a car. I thought you had a car over there.
God have mercy.
That's not my car, sir.
You don't have a car. You want to sell me a land for 850 million?
Hey!
Sir, please, can you just open?
You must be joking, Mr. Man. When you buy a car, you can call me.
Sir,
When you buy a car, you can call me. Sir.
he's leaving because of a car. Sanera, man. I was seeing Sanera. Can one make money quickly in Lagos?
Quickly. Okay, when you say quickly, do you mean legally or illegally?
Which is the fastest? I need it sharp.
Okay, see, wait, Faxyman. First of all, why are you asking? Because I've always known you to be Mr. Legal things. You always stand for the legal things and legal ways. So, what changed?
See, I've been so much insulted recently. and I can't take it anymore. I need to teach someone a lesson. A very big lesson at that.
Okay, just a lesson. Alright, you know what? Wait, you get one update. No worry. You get update J. Update J.
Make sure you give me the right update.
Calm down, update J. Okay, make I even ask you. Sure you get trustworthy.
Yes, sir. I'm at location where he asked me to pick you up. Okay, sir. Understood. Okay. Okay. Here it comes.
Oh, okay, let's make it quick. I have some things to do.
Shall we?
Yes, what do you mean? Let's go. I have places to go to. I have things to do. We can go look at the property now.
You want to join me?
What do you mean? What are you insinuating? We don't put this up and let's go to where we're going to. Open the door so we can start going now. What rubbish?
My name is Faxyman, and you can't talk to me like that. Eh? I earn my living legitimately. That's what I stand for. But you embarrass me and disgrace me in this my journey. I remember the last time you came to buy a land worth 850 million during the inspection. You didn't bother to care about the authenticity of my agency or the business. All you were concerned was about my outlook, my physical appearance. I knew how you dealt with me that very day. You asked me to buy a car, and when I buy a car, I should call you. But today, here is my car. Are you want to join me? That is not done. Nonsense.
What? Oh my God! Really?
Faxyman, so now go hear what?